In this video, I'll show you how to find the devices that are logged in to your Apple account. So to go and check which devices are logged into your Apple account, first click on the Settings app on your iPhone. You can then click on your profile name at the top of this screen, and then you can scroll down and you should see a list of all of the devices associated with your account. So at the moment, I just have my iPhone here, and what you can do is click on any of these devices, and then what you can do is scroll to the bottom of this screen, and you can choose to remove this device from your Apple account. Now, occasionally, if someone's using your account on an internet browser, then it may not show up in this devices list. So what we can do in that situation is just open up an internet browser, head over to the website iCloud.com, and go and sign into your Apple account. You can then click on your profile icon in the top right-hand side, click on iCloud settings, scroll down to sign out of all browsers, and you can click on this sign out button down here and press sign out. Now, not only will this sign you out of all of the browsers, but it will also ask you to verify your identity the next time you sign in. So if you do suspect that someone's using your Apple account, then this is a great way to log them out of your account and to make sure they no longer have access to it. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.